The Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines for Lockdown 4 have paved the way for sports persons to return to training by allowing and announcing that sports complexes and sports stadiums will be allowed to open in Lockdown 4. We are currently here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi, where a lot of athletes have trained in the past, where a lot of athletes have competed in major tournaments here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. And now what we understand from the MHA guidelines, what the interpretation seems to be from what we learn from our sources inside the sports ministry is that training camps will be allowed to resume. There is a standard operating procedure that has already been formulated by a high-powered committee in the Sports Authority of India. So the Sports Authority of India is going to work on that with the sports federations for its absolute strict implementation. There have been categories of sports: full contact sport, minimal contact sport, water sport. So all of that is going to be kept in mind after this announcement from the MHA that sports complexes and sports stadiums will be allowed to open. So what the sports federations already have their interpretations in mind. Like I said, training camps could be allowed to resume. That is one thing. The other thing is that there are a whole lot of athletes who are already in NIS Patiala and Sai Training Center in Bangalore, even before the lockdown was announced by PM Modi on the 24th of March, and they have not been allowed to train, outdoors, even inside the campus. So that is likely to change, wherein those athletes who are locked up in NIS Patiala and Bangalore could start training outdoors. In NIS Patiala, we have athletes from athletics, we have weightlifters over there who could now get back to proper training and intense training and outdoor training, which is important for them to remain in rhythm and in pursuit of their Olympic goals. And also in Sai Bangalore are the hockey teams, both men and women. So it is going to be very, very important, because the hockey teams in their interaction with the sports minister had said that they feel homesick, and that training is going to help them keep their mind off feeling homesick. So that is also an important decision here, which the sports ministry will take to allow them to train outdoors. And as far as cricket is concerned, the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines clearly say that these complexes can be open but without spectators. So that in a way paves the way for cricket to happen, Indian Premier League to conduct, the BCCI to conduct the Indian Premier League. But there is a larger picture in that as well, whether ICC will give them clarity to hold the IPL or not, foreign players, whether they will be allowed to travel or not from their respective countries, and more importantly, whether there is going to be a window in October when there is the T20 World Cup, whether that gets postponed or not, is when the IPL could happen. But this MHA guideline will go a long way in motivating the athletes to come back and resume training. Karishma Singh for Times Now.